I'm sharing 40 amazing Friendship Day gift ideas that you are given to your bestie. Friendship bracelet. A friendship bracelet is one of the most meaningful gifts. It's easy to make, colorful, and symbolizes love, trust, and friendship. Your best friend will surely treasure it. These gifts are perfect for surprising your best friend and making their day extra special. Handmade bouquet. Next is this beautiful handmade surprised bouquet. Instead of buying flowers, you can make your own bouquet using girly items like makeup, hair accessories, chocolates, toffees, jewelry, or flowers with decorative wrapping. You can use them to decorate cards, gift boxes, or chocolates even. It looks elegant and is a gift your friend can keep forever. It's perfect for packing Friendship Day, gifts, and makes your present look extra special. This DIY box is perfect for holding chocolates, jewelry, friendship bracelets, keychains, small notes, or other tiny surprises. Decorate it with ribbons, pearls, bows, or paper flowers to make it look elegant and unique. These handmade gift bags, mugs, and gift boxes are easy to make, budget-friendly, and the perfect way to show your best friend how much you care. It's a simple, useful, and personalized gift that they'll enjoy every day. Handmade card. No gift is complete without a heartfelt message. Create a beautiful handmade card and write a sweet note expressing how much your friend means to you. Sometimes simple words become the most precious gift. Photo frame. A handmade photo frame is another wonderful Friendship Day gift. Add your favorite picture together, or write a loving note and decorate with flowers, pearls, glitter, or cute stickers to create a beautiful memory. Ribbon flowers. The best handmade gift for your bestie. It is very special, more than real roses. It is very heart-touching gift for your forever friend. This pendant is simple yet elegant. You can customize it with your friend's favorite color, initials, or tiny decorations to make it unique. Handmade jewelry adds a personal touch and makes a wonderful Friendship Day gift. Handmade paper flowers. Next is this beautiful handmade bouquet paper flowers. You are making these flowers in minutes with paper and create a beautiful flower arrangement. These handmade flowers are simple, colorful, and perfect for Friendship Day. Embroidery gift. Finally, here's a handmade embroidery gift. Whether it's a small floral design, a heart, or your friend's name, embroidery is unique and made with love. It makes a thoughtful keepsake that lasts for years. Make a hoop art. Embroidery, this gift is very precious and highly appreciated and touch your bestie's heart. Keychains. These are adorable handmade keychain. You can personalize it with your friend's favorite colors, initials, or cute charms. It's small, useful, and a lovely keepsake that your friend can carry every day. I hope you enjoyed these Friendship Day handmade gift ideas and found some inspiration for your best friend. Which gift idea is your favorite? Comment below. Thanks for watching.